Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas within which we can expect a reversal here on the Vechain chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a significant area of support at around the $0.01798 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also been expecting lower prices here on the Vechain chart in the formation of this wave 2 into our minimum retracement area highlighted on the chart using this retarget area, where you can now see that we have seen one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, and now there are high chances that we might have a low in place for this ABC corrective structure that I have been having here on the chart. And before I get further into the details of the formation of this wave 2, allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening since the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01334 mark. And after seeing that breakdown move, we started gearing up, where we saw a very nice recovery to the upside in this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.021 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And as a result of that, there are two possibilities that we need to have in mind. And the first one is that since we have seen one more new low in the formation of this wave C, giving us a low that is lower than the low for this wave A, there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can start gearing up impulsively in a 5-wave structure, which will be the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. But in case we don't see a break above resistance and we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, then we can expect further breakdown into this red target area. We fully maximize the red target area, confirm that we have a low in place, and start gearing up impulsively once more in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. Those are the two possible scenarios that I have in mind here on the Vechain chart, and that is what I'm keeping my eyes on. So let's continue keeping our eyes on this red target area between the $0.01798 mark and the $0.01633 mark, which is an area that we can either see a reaction of it very soon, or maybe continue seeing further breakdown, get one more new low in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though you can see we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we are going to see that bullish cross to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.